Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Check whether your jewelry is gold-plated over stainless steel or solid gold accents because technique differs. Fill a bowl with lukewarm water and add a few drops of mild dish soap. Once mixed, submerge the item for 3 to 5 minutes to loosen oils and grime. While soaking, prepare a soft bristled toothbrush and a microfiber cloth. You want gentle agitation only. Avoid hot water and harsh chemicals which can lift plating. After the soak, lift and inspect for softened residue before scrubbing. Once the residue is softened, you gently brush the piece focusing on crevices, bezels, and clasps. Use short strokes following the metal grain or chain links to avoid lifting plating. If dirt persists, repeat the soak for another 2 minutes, then brush again. Rinse thoroughly under low-pressure lukewarm water to remove all soap. Make sure no suds remain between links. Pat dry with a clean microfiber cloth, and allow the piece to air dry on a soft towel so moisture in joints evaporates before storage. To finish, buff the jewelry with a dry microfiber cloth using light circular motions to restore shine. If dull spots remain, apply a pea-sized amount of non-abrasive metal polish on cloth and test on an inconspicuous area first. Make sure to remove all polish residue, then store the piece in a dry pouch with a silica packet to reduce moisture. If you notice plating flaking, discoloration, or rough patches, stop home cleaning immediately. Seek professional replating or repair, because continued polishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.